I'm Rob Schmidt, and today we're here with Steve Caroselli of Orion Entrance Control. How are you doing, Steve?
I'm doing fantastic, Rob. Thank you. It's great to be back.
Today, it's not really just about you, it's about some new addition to your team. So why don't you take it from here?
Yeah, thank you. And that's a really good point. It's never just about me. It's always about the team and what we're doing together and the fun things we're creating in the world. So we want to introduce Pierre Bourgeix on screen, nodding. Say hi, Pierre.
Hello, guys. How are you? Good to meet you all.
And Pierre has been, we've been friendly. We've been in the industry a similar amount of time, which, as you can tell, is a long time. But kind of tackling the industry from different parts. I've always been on the physical security and manufacturing and side of the business and installation. And Pierre, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself? And I'd like to kind of rehear the story of why you're here with Orion today.
Sure. I've always been involved in the various levels of security, from intelligence to logical and physical security. For many years, I've written a lot about convergence of security and technology into the physical space and IT and OT, information technology and operational technology. One of the things that is a key component for me is who's leading the race, who's at the edge, who's doing the right things, and who's doing the wrong things. And I'm always watching and always wanting those type of companies to be the leaders, right? Who actually understand convergence of technology and what it's doing for our security industry to create more safe spaces and more secure spaces. So, I've been watching the growth of Orion over the years, known obviously Steve for a period of time. But what intrigued me about where Orion was going is they weren't just the traditional turnstile company, the entrance company. They understood that technology had to be connected, had to be inherently connected so that it becomes powerful to the end user. And that is the most important part of the story. So, I reviewed some LinkedIn posts that Steve had posted recently, and I was impressed. I was impressed with, and not only, this really started, I guess, 2 years ago, prior to COVID. And I saw that they really were moving towards that digital foundation, that logical foundation of entry, of how we correlate and connect entry throughout the process of really how people, process, and technology meet. And, that's really got me intrigued. And so I, really called Steve and said, hey, you know what? I'm interested in helping you out. It's a perfect match. And I really believe that Orion is in its stride. It's doing the right things. It's headed in the right direction.